Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the date and time on your Xiaomi 13T. So in order to do that, open up your settings right here. Now scroll down and find your additional settings. Right here. Find your date and time tab. Tap here. So we've got our set time zone and our set time automatically on. Let's turn off those switches. So now we can adjust the date and time. So to change the date, simply press on the date and set up your date. For example, let it be 12th October of 2022. Set up the time, simply press on the time, choose your hours and minutes, write your AM and PM, press OK when you're satisfied. Also, you can choose your time zone. So for example, let's choose the region, let's put Albania, right? And now we've got our Albanian time zone applied. Here you can adjust your time format, so simply tap on the time format and set 12-hour or 24-hour format, which one will be more suitable for you. Here also you can adjust your dual clock, so find this option. Let's activate it by tapping on the switch, press got it, and adjust the second clock. So choose the region, once again let it be Algeria. It detects Algeria's time zone, and now we've got our main time zone and our Algeria time zone, right? So if you want to set your timers to the previous one, to the normal settings, automatical settings, simply in the date and time options, find your set time automatically, tap on it, find your set time zone automatically, tap on it as well, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.